What's up, everybody? Mike here at GadgetGuruClub.com, and we have the Shark Navigator. It's a cordless vacuum. I hate cords, so I wanted to get this. Having a cord on a vacuum is such a pain. So I got this. This thing is pretty popular. Has over 4,000 reviews on Amazon. I think it's one of their best sellers. If it isn't the best seller. But, so we're going to go ahead and try this thing out. Set it up. Looks like it's offering a decent amount of features here, so we're going to check it out. Alright, so here are the pieces to it. Here's the charger. This little plug, it's actually pretty small. There's a pole here. That. And then this. So set this up. So you want to get the top handle, and then you slide that into here, and then you line it up. And so you see the hole is open there. And then you're gonna they give you a screw, so you put that in there, and then you just screw that up to be tight. This will just snap right into place. You can see to remove. So that just snaps, and then if you want to take it off, you just press this button and then pull it up. So you want to line up the arrows, and it'll go in there. If you don't do that, the plug won't go in. And then this just fits nicely on there. And then you'll know it's charging because it'll start blinking, right? So it's blinking. When you take it off, it comes right off. So you hit this once, and then the carpet will come on, and then you hit it twice, and then bare floor. And if you want to maneuver it, pretty simple. You can just put it like that, and it does turn. So it does swivel. Like, to pull it back, that's all you gotta do, and then you can actually go like that. So it's pretty flexible. So here we go. So I turn it off. As you can see, it's already a decent amount of stuff in there. So it's already getting pretty dirty. So looks like it's pretty good. Like, easy setup. Only vacuumed for a few seconds there, and it already pulled up that much. So overall, pretty satisfied with this. I see why it's so popular. The only thing now is I hope it lasts a long time. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.